current hex cost explicitly is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days, in a sort of huge manner. Hex cost examination basically is negative today, which generally is very critical. First help level for hex essentially is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive manner. 30 November 2023, in this video we will by and large walk you through hex cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these habitually essentially got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what explicitly is truly momentary cost expectation for hex, generally is hex and in every practical sense, wise venture. Kind of an opposition to prevalent thinking. Hex help and obstruction levels and so forth in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the hex specialized examination, generally let us in every way that really matters, discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations in an unobtrusive way. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital currency market to $1,422,755,320,117, certainly further appearance how hex help and obstruction levels, and so on in an in every practical sense, enormous way. The in every practical sense, all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $43,447,319,572 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, which really is very critical. Which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, pretty further appearance how first help level for hex really is at $0.030 in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum, most certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period, which in every practical sense shows that current hex value, sort of, is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days, which generally is very critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 0.56 and at present exchanging at 60 cents, or so they especially thought. Moreover, Solana came to $59.77 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.17%. These occasions generally show that the market explicitly is going in a sort of descending bearing for pretty present moment, exhibiting how XRP, the in every practical sense, local coin of XRP, sort of, is somewhere near 0.56 and right now exchanging at 60 cents in an unpretentious manner. As of now, a truly broad, exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an especially significant manner. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, so current hex cost essentially is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days in a by and large enormous manner. Support especially is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become certainly more essentially dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any sort of additional in an unpretentious manner. Similarly, obstruction explicitly is a level at which dealers sort of become move especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an unpretentious manner. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The in every practical sense, day-to-day diagram of hex for the most part shows that the hex value sort of has a truly descending development with a 1.19% reduction in genuinely beyond 24 hours. Extremely further appearance how hex help and opposition backing and opposition sort of are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So current hex cost for the most part is $0.032 hex full 0.29% in 7 days in a sort of large manner. The value worth of the hex coin especially is remaining at $0.032 with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars in a significant manner. HEX cost changes 0.29% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume sort of is drifting around $3,738,949 United States dollars, showing how following really are the help and opposition levels of HEX execution. The very day-to-day outline of HEX especially shows that the HEX cost in every practical sense has an especially descending development, with a 1.19% lessening in sort of beyond 24 hours. Kind of additional appearance how HEX help and obstruction backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to fundamentally distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So current HEX cost especially is $0.032, HEX falls 0.29% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. HEX value investigation HEX cost examination for 30 November 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time period, generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting how market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,422,755,320,117. Most certainly further appearance how HEX help and obstruction levels and so on, or so they basically thought. We use in every way that really matters, relative strength index RSI, moving essentially normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving certainly normal, EMA, to generally dissect the future development of the HEX in a quite enormous manner. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid, so HEX cost investigation by and large is negative today, or so they fundamentally thought. HEX financial backers need to sit tight for any directional change over the in every way that really matters, day-to-day graph in a kind of significant manner essentially. HEX sort of has an especially the closest opposition of $0.036, showing how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, which especially is genuinely critical. A bullish breakout in this opposition level would really help the upswing energy, showing how support especially is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly more genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in a real sense thought. The purchasers could then focus on the obstruction R2 set at $0.039, which truly shows that the MACD line essentially is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, so HEX cost investigation most certainly is negative today, or so they most certainly thought. On the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers really betray the HEX, the by and large bears could handle the market and explicitly take HEX cost underneath the critical help level of $0.030, fundamentally